after all those relay controversies with the Jamaica teams in Budapest, veteran coach Glenn Mills has called for a better relay selection policy. Mills is basically calling for more flexibility to the existing discretionary powers of the coaches. But I think there is enough flexibility. It's the application of the discretion that is the problem. This thing where the 1, 2, 3, 4 finishers in the 100 meters at the trials seem to get automatic places on the relay team, that is the problem. No one in the relay pool should be automatic. That privilege should be restricted to individual events. When it comes to the relays, it must be totally up to the discretion of the coaching staff to consider form and how the pieces complement each other, etc. 1, 2, 3, 4 in a flat 100 don't mean you can run a good relay leg, or you can start out of the blocks, or you can run a good curve. That is where the competence and the discretion of the coaches must come into play. There is no way, for example, that Elaine Thompson-Hera, the fastest woman alive, should not run on that 4x1 final in Budapest. My case, I rest.